Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I want to bring you a sound comparison of the Dinan mid-body pipe for the BMW G80s. That's the M2, the M3s, and the M4s. I want to show you what it sounds like. All right, guys, now, every time I do an exhaust installation, I always get questions of what does it sound like, and I always want to make a before and after video so you have a good basis of comparison. Now, I will always say in any exhaust install and any comparison especially, you really need to listen to it yourself. Now, I'm going to do the best I can, but I'm really limited by the conditions, my camera, the microphone, and all those things involved. And it may sound better, may sound worse if you hear it in person, but I'm going to do the best I can. Now, this brand new, literally 2024 G83, this is an M4 convertible, just recently had the Dinan mid-body pipe installed. So that takes out the mid-body resonators. It leaves the secondary cats, but takes out the mid-body resonators. And there are so many things you can do for your exhaust all the way down the line. You can put in equal length pipes, you can take out your cats, you can straight pipe it, you can change your exhaust. There's so many things you can do. But in this case, we're going to keep the OEM back box. We're going to use the new Dinan mid-body pipe, which takes out the mid-body resonators and leaves the secondary cats coming down from the turbos. Okay, so I want to walk you through that. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to give you a before. So what does it sound like before we made any changes? And then we'll do the after.